Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Falls Church, Virginia that has a roof leak and they need repair. Now, I'll show you why this chimney is leaking. Here, you can see they put nails flat right into the step flashing, and there should be no nails at all exposed in the flashing. This nail should be underneath this piece of flashing, so this metal would be overlapping the nail. So if they would have done it right, and if I would have lifted these shingles up, I would have seen no nails exposed. So another thing that's causing a leak is this counter flashing. They installed it incorrectly. And here you can see the flashing is pulling away. What they should have done is cut through the mortar about 3/4 of an inch. And then the new flashing would be shaped like an L, and it would be inserted within the mortar, and then you seal the leading edge. So to stop this leak, what we need to do is remove all the roofing material completely around the chimney. We're going to remove and replace the improperly installed counter and step flashing, install ice and water shield completely around, and then re-shingle it. The bricks overall is excellent, so that's not attributing to the leak. Now also they have a couple other leaks that she doesn't even know about. And now let me explain one thing. Also, they have a bathroom in this area here, and they have a bathroom fan, and the fan is ventilating into the attic. So with all that warm, moist air trapped in the attic, not only is there moisture buildup, but eventually they're going to end up developing mold. So we'll need to install a vent in this area here as well. Now, I want to show you something with this chimney also. Excuse me. Okay. Also, this shingle here is lifting up. It's possible the plywood underneath could be damaged. I don't feel it though. It feels pretty strong, but you can see there's a nail popping through. So there's a leak here, or that leak could settle anywhere down below. In fact, I see they did a patch here. So this patch, that leak could have been attributing because of this nail here. And the water would just travel underneath the shingles, and wherever the water finds an opening, like through the side of a nail or possibly a tear in the felt, that's where the water will settle. So that shingle needs to be replaced. Now this chimney flashing here on the upper roof was done exactly the same as the lower roof. And you can see the flashing is all pulling away here, and they put the nails in the flashing here, and then there, right in the middle of the key almost, is a nail in the flashing. So this flashing is really bad, and it needs to be removed and replaced. Now when I look at the rest of the roof, it looks old, to an untrained eye, but you have a lot of algae that's built up on the roof. So the roof can very easily be cleaned, so the roof is not as bad as it looks. I would say maximum, maybe six, maybe 7 more years maximum. So again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Falls Church and all surrounding areas. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.